Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet. Maybe red wine. Go ahead and see what that does. Room boys at work again. Still gonna tour this house. Little game room. See the difference? Where we've been, where they haven't been. Here's the line, the border. Go again. Right here, we just did this area. Over here's the room that we just did, a master. We have some stairs also as well. Yeah, we got some stains right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Starting to come out with our spray.
This Angel place. Back at it again.
Clean! Damn clean! Carpets clean!
Get your carpets clean. Like a pause there. Okay, look, we're doing a little. Let's see.
Shout out Miss Kathy.
Yellow couches, yellow everything, yellow insides. We everything, we clean inside, outside. Your hot ride. Hard tile, that's the part-time. Yellow scenes. Guys, we're almost finished with this front top part. Look how clean it looks. See a little difference. And the boy cleaning up good. Yeah, we're gonna start working on the stairs. You can tell they're kind of the worst spot. Let me show you. Long time, all day. All day. Camo. Oh my. No time. Oh my. Start off, my spraying is really good. And for soil ones, you kind of make sure they're a little too good, little moist helps. What did you? Look at the 5 grapes. Ah, bunch of the grapes. Killing it with 1600. The finest. Fake rapper. Fuck shit, fuck shit, fuck shit, dog shit, dog shit. Night shift, working the night shift, no Lord. I ain't doing me. What basis of mine? You charge me for it? Yeah, Drake. Well, what's some candy? You midget boy. Fucking haters, sucking mine. shoes still.
Chapter 5.
Chapter 5?
Initially, the ground for opportunity. Once you have
They're doing that shit with their head in their mouth. Remember that shit? Twisting it. Twisting his fingers and looking at me. Twisting this shit that I never seen. Twisting and looking at the phone that mean twist. Twisting that arm, the face like. I'm twisting the equipment like he never seen. This equipment look good if I get a rush too. It gets so hot, all of the steam, bacteria, yeah, come through. I'ma kill y'all, I'ma destabilize them, I'm broken to come through. Acting as difference right here. Blast that out. We do a lot of blasting here at Bloom. Call us if you're interested. Blasting your carpet with steam.